Hello, we're going to take a look at Guardium Big Data Intelligence. This is the next generation of our data security solution. Guardium Big Data Intelligence, or GBDI, is a big data platform that allows for automation, speed, retention, and data accuracy to help with insight and actions. We're going to automate workflow activities to improve process efficiency, show enhanced workflows and connection profiling, store, enrich, and analyze large volumes of security and compliance data to gain enhanced context-aware insights, show long-term retention, SIEM, QRadar, Splunk pre-processing, optimize the architecture of Guardium data protection to improve performance, speed up reporting, and reduce operational complexity, showing enhanced reporting speed, noise reduction analytics. In this demo, we're going to show Guardium Big Data Intelligence is a big data technology where we can get insights from large amounts of historical and near real-time data, noise reduction and quick reporting capabilities, complete cloud support, out-of-the-box threats and outlier detection dashboards and integrated user behavior analytics, DB360 views of all factors affecting DB risks, and security, database activity monitoring, vulnerability assessment, and classification, with integration, ServiceNow, or other metadata such as CMDB. Process automation, workflows, customizable workflow engine to track, process, and collaborate with owners on tickets. For reconciliation, trusted connection validation, example is a way to better manage whitelists and update Guardium groups and policies. We're going to optimize data security with the Guardium Big Data Platform. We're looking at 17 billion full SQLs, almost 50 terabytes of local and cloud Guardium data. We're effectively store a large amount of historical and near real-time Guardium data online, speed time to reporting, insights, and reduce operational data security compliance costs. We're going to click Discover to see GBDI data. Viewing the last 60 days of data on the screen in seconds. 40 million Guardium data records. The screen shows raw data in JSON format, which allows extreme data compression rate with clustered column store indexes for Guardium data, quick search of data, top search panel, and the quick drill down left panel for ad hoc investigation. Noise reduction, reduce repetitive data occurrences, and effectively group data. Let's click on Reduce Noise. Noise reduction and quick filter reduced data from 46 million down to 31,000 hits. This screen pulls all select commands on Guardium Group, bank objects, and reduce noise note filters in the search panel. Quick filter drill down for ad hoc investigation on the left. In this example, further analyze current result data set on DB usernames. Click on Analyze Entire Selected Data under DB Username. Full Data Collection Analytics screen pops up. Out of the results data set of Select from Bank Objects, these are the counts of access from different users observed in the last 60 days. Click on Rogue User with Least Activities for further ad hoc investigation. Ad hoc investigation from 46 million records down to one record quickly. On the screen, we see a rogue 0225 user viewing Oracle credit card table on the specific date and time. This is like a manual or ad hoc investigation way of identifying outlier activity using search or drill down from big data collection. Click on Rogue Activity to see engine discovered outliers. 24-hour outliers would have discovered similar rogue activity. 24-hour outlier compares the data traffic from the last 24 hours with large amount of historical data indexes and discovers abnormal and new activities. Graphical representation available via dashboarding. Click on Dashboards to see other dashboards. Number of out-of-the-box dashboards available. Options to create your own dashboards. The dashboard shows all database sessions in last 30 days. Hover cursor over different dashboards to see interactive dashboarding. DB2, MySQL, Oracle, CloudWatch. Quick drill down is also available via the dashboards. Click IBM Security logo on the top left to go back to the GBDI main screen. Next, click on Cloud Sources to look at different cloud sources supported. Drop-down list from left shows different cloud log sources. Combine logs collected from different cloud sources with Guardium data. Click the IBM Security Guardium Big Data Intelligence logo to go back to the main GBDI screen. Click on Threats and Outliers to have a closer look on out-of-the-box customized user behavior analytics results. Hover cursor over the darker spots on the Yuba models outlier dashboard to see interactive dashboarding. The darker the color is on the dashboard, the higher the outlier score. In this example, the outlier scores for excessive connections and suspicious connections are high. Search and drill down clicks are also available. Click on the bottom part of the page to scroll down to the rest of the outliers. The top attacked server IPs are highlighted in the top middle. Yuba flagged host dashboard. The bigger the font is, the most number of attacks. In this case, 192.168.6.1 had the most number of malicious activities happened. Top right Yuba flagged identities represent the user ID that was used for those malicious activities. Excessive connections in this case. Excessive connections has very high outlier score in this example. Click on List of Threats to see more GBDI threat detection engines. GBDI ships with a number of out-of-the-box threat detection engines, Yuba model engines, user entity behavior analytic models. All threat detection engines can be customized. Click on the GBDI logo to go back to the main screen. Click on DB360. Link together all of your DB risks, including discovery, classifier, VA, and DAM for better visibility. Focus on higher risk DBs to prioritize risk mitigation. Click on bottom of the page to scroll down to the rest of DB360 dashboards. More DB360 view dashboards showing VA, Database Activity Monitoring, or DAM, classifier data. Dashboards show servers with most vulnerabilities, most sensitive data, indicates risk scores. Search pane available to search drill down. Click on VA dashboard to see VA 360 dashboard. VA dashboard integrates with ServiceNow info. Interactive dashboard to see all VA data from entire environment by vulnerability criticality. VA 360 owners portions merges VA data with ServiceNow database ownership info. Click on owner section to see ServiceNow server ownership info joined with imported Guardium VA data. The DB ownership info from previous screen was imported from ServiceNow. This screen shows the original server ownership data from the ServiceNow tool. GBDI also integrates and merges with other data from CMDB, change ticket systems, and more. Click on the ServiceNow logo to go back to the previous screen. Click Justify Workflow to see GBDI automatic workflows. Convert many existing manual processes into automated flows with a sophisticated workflow engine. Screen shows production change ticket info merged with collected Guardium data. Guardium data in GBDI joined with ServiceNow data. Click on Server Owner info to see original data from ServiceNow. This screen shows the original ServiceNow ownership data from previous screen. Click on ServiceNow logo on the top left to go back to previous screen. GBDI can also help with whitelist validations to help improve Guardium policies and group. Click on Trusted Connections. Push decision making to the application data owners for easier collaboration for maintaining whitelists and more effective policies. New DB connections from last 24 hours that are different than existing GBDI Guardium data will be shown on the list for review. Users can mark connection trusted and have GBDI to update Guardium policy group automatically. Trusted connection workflow allows users to include reasons for approval for audit record. Click on Perform. GBDI bidirectional integration with Guardium automatically update Guardium policies via GBDI command execution. Screen shows Guardium API commands that GBDI automatically generates. Click on the Guard API command to see how it will update Guardium groups. GBDI generated Guard API command updates Guardium policies and Guardium groups and policy for complete flow and integration. Screen shows trusted connections marked in GBDI being added to the Guardium groups shown in the Guardium console. Click Close. Workflows can be customized by different users to adjust to their company requirements. Screen shows customized workflow from open status, DBA, to manager, to cybersecurity engineer, and then to closed status or state. Click the IBM GBDI logo to go back to the main screen. And this brings us to the end of the click-through demo for the Guardium Big Data Intelligence solution. Thank you.